Hey there, my name's Deanna, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to actually use the Warm Brown Obsessions Huda Beauty palette. Yesterday I used the Coral Obsession one. This is what the palette looks like. I'm going to try and set myself a challenge for this video and try and create something that isn't the generic kind of look you'd get from a Warm Brown palette. So, wish me luck. Alrighty, I am going to do the exact same thing I did in my last video for my brows, and that is use the Zoeva Nude Spectrum palette. Oh my god, did it fall out or what? Yes. But I used this color right here. So, I wish these brows were better than they were, to be honest. I wish I had to do less work on them. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm not particularly a great fan of doing my brows. I also don't like to walk around not looking like I have eyebrows when I've got a full set of makeup going on. Face full of makeup? Full set of makeup. I don't know. So this is the BB cream, which is the universal shade. It's definitely not made to do anything like this, but we're gonna do it. It's fine. This is fine. This is fine. Don't worry. Alright, they're good for now. Moving on from my brows, I am going to be using the Hangover Too Faced primer on my eyes and face. I think I like how it feels on my face more than the smell. Back with the BB Cream Nude Effect Universal Shade from Garnier. I actually really like this for summer because I don't like having heavy makeup on my face, and I feel like this is quite light. It feels like you're putting a moisturizer on. Now looking a little bit better, our tone has neutralized. Alright, we're going to jump into the palette now, so I'm going to move you guys a little bit closer and we'll decide what we're going to start with first. Now that you're a bit closer, you can see my eyebrows looking kind of blur. It's because I'm using powder, but still alright enough. So close up on the palette. Yeah, very basic. These two colors look very similar. I'm thinking jumping in with this as a this one as a transition shade. Then I kind of want to use this one on my whole lid and then see what we can do from there. So I'm just kind of building the colour onto my eyes until I like it, really. I don't know, this might be a good colour for like a black eye kind of thing for like Halloween makeup. I'm going to spray my little brush to pack a little bit better. Or ruin my shadows, either one. Either one's a good time. Can I do a cut crease with just powder? Or is that not really a thing? I'm sure I could try. It doesn't even matter if you guys would be impressed. I'd be impressed. I wonder if I could do like a red wing. Alright, I have an idea. I'm not sure it's gonna work. I don't want to fuck up my makeup, so I'm going to use a post-it note instead of washi tape. Basically, I'm going to be using this one. Wish me luck. You know what? We're sticking with this idea. You never find out if something works or doesn't work until you actually try it. So, I'm gonna fucking try it. You know what, let's try it on one eye because I'm scared. It looks so much better on camera. That's what I hate about it. I'm gonna keep playing around with it, but it doesn't look that bright on camera. Okay, I'm gonna try again on the other eye. So far, my thought is this could be a really cool, like low-key kind of Halloween look if you know how to do like fake cuts and stuff, like a fake wing, like cut wing. Alright, just real quick. I'm just gonna buff it out a little bit. I think the one thing I'm worried about is making myself look like I'm diseased. But if I do that, this can be a Halloween video. What I want to do real quick before I try and attempt any kind of wing is I'm going to use this dark color and just put it in like the corners a little bit. Destroy all the hard work I've ruined. I mean, wait. I don't want to destroy all the hard work I've done. I'm going to do a black wing. And then I might add something else onto that. I don't know, depending how the black wing looks. I still want to finish like the bottom of my eyes. So we're not done yet. Don't worry. Don't worry. It doesn't actually look that bad at the moment. Definitely need to touch it up a bit though. Alright, now I am very fucking nervous because I don't want to butch this up. Also, remember when I say butch this up, I totally mean butcher this look. Gonna grab this little gold and we're going to create a top of the liner to clean it up. Change my mind. I remembered I had this. So I've decided, yeah, I'm gonna try and use that to line the liner. I don't know if I mentioned what wing thing I use, and it is the HyperSharp wing by Maybelline New York. This is actually run dry. I've had this on for a while. I think it's a great product. I mean, I feel like this is a really simple look, but I think I am done with it. It's not perfect as well. Like, I know it's not perfect, but for what it is, I would definitely dabble in this kind of look again. Maybe in like a different color. Okay, really quickly again, I'm just going to put the BB cream under my eyes because I did do a little bit of cleaning up. Alright, I thought I'd bring you a little bit closer in so you can actually see my face. Next, my under eye, because I have mega dark circles. I like to bake, so I'm going to be using the Mecca Max Banana Bake. This powder actually smells really good too. For my bronzer, I always use the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Nothing new here. Pretty sure I mentioned it yesterday, but I'm going to mention it again. I really love a soft kind of contour. Alright, we need highlight. I think I'm just going to use a highlighter from the I Like Your Face ColourPop palette. And I'm thinking about using the top middle one here. Spray. Alright, I don't know if it's me or the lighting, but there's highlight on my face. It's just not highlighting anything. I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know what's happening right now. So until further notice, we don't know what's happening with the highlight. We're going to be going with one of ColourPop's lippy sticks in Ink Blot. It is a matte color that is very nude. My lips are peeling and I can see everything. Now that this is the final look, I am going to be spraying myself with the GlamGlow GlowSetter. This stuff smells amazing. Alright, and now we're done. This look is pretty nice, I feel. I feel like you could wear it out just as an everyday thing to be a little bit more feeling nice, I guess. Or you could wear it out if you wanted to be a little bit more low-key, or I don't know, if you just wanted to wear something glittery. Now that we've completed this look, I just want to have a quick recap of what we used. I didn't use too many colors actually. We used transition shade, the gold shade, the light color shade for the light color bit, and this purple shade up here. So it was only 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Alright, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night or afternoon, and I'll catch you tomorrow. See ya!